awarded by Aika Gabriel Royce Tabasa.
Our Insam Factory Choice Award is from Purok. Purok Yellow Bell. Next award is the MHT Car Display and Trucking Choice Award.
To be awarded by the SK Chairperson Honorable Elmer Hans Lamita.
Our MHT Car Display